Hi guys, it's Mrs. Myers. I hope you are having a wonderful week so far. I wanted to check back in with you guys since I know yesterday Miss Eckerd started to talk with you guys about decomposing a number into two parts. So we are going to work on that again today and actually the rest of the week. I know yesterday you guys talked about using part whole. And we're going to review that, and we're also going to talk about using a 10 frame. So we're going to first go ahead and read our problem. It says, Colton has 4 toy trains. He has 2 train tracks. How can he separate the trains onto both tracks? Is there a different way he can put the trains onto the train tracks? Okay, so what I'm looking for, I know, is I am looking for different combinations that we can make 4, because that is my total, okay? I know he has 4 toy trains, okay? So that is what I'm looking for right here. Now, yesterday, Miss Eckerd went ahead and showed you guys how to draw a part whole, and we're gonna go ahead, I printed them off today. And I know she had also showed you guys last week how to draw a 10 frame. So I've gone ahead to make this a little bit easier and I printed them off. And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna remember, we're gonna go ahead and do our part whole one first. And when thinking about our problem, we know that Colton had 4 toy trains. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put 4 in the top, okay? And I want to think of what combinations can I have that will give me the answer 4. So I'm going to pick a number that comes between 0 and 4. All right. So I'm going to pick 1. Okay. Now I want to know how many more do I need in my other part to get to 4. So I'm going to draw a dot under it. So I know I have 1. And now I'm going to keep drawing my dots till I get to 4. So here's 1, and then 2, 3, 4. Now when I count my dots, I see that I have 1, 2, 3, which means that when I combine 1 and 3, I get my total number of 4. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to write my number sentence, which would be 1 and 3 is 4. Okay, so that is a review of what you guys did yesterday. We're going to now go ahead and we're going to think of another way that we can still find a way for Colton to put his 4 toy trains on the train tracks. And we know he has 2 train tracks, okay? So we're gonna need 2 different colors. So I've gone ahead and I have grabbed red and blue. And I know that I want my total to be no more than 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, and just kind of put a little line there because I know I need to fill up my 10 frame to that spot. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say, I think he should have 2 on the first train track. So I'm going to color that one in 1, 2. Now I have to get to this line to fill up my 10 frame to that point. So that means on my other train track or my other color would be 1, 2. Now when I count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, I again have the total of 4. So when I write my number sentence, I'm going to have 2 and to make it easy, I'm going to make sure to do it color coordinated. 2 and 2 equals, my answer is, again, 4. So these are 2 different ways that you can show us combinations of numbers or how to decompose a number. And look out for the questions below for how you are going to show us using the 10 frame strategy today, how to decompose a number. All right, guys, have a great day.